Now we can say that this Erenchyma, it is a type of parenchyma, and Erenchyma is a spongy tissue that forms spaces or air channels in the leaves, stems and roots of some plants, which allow exchange of gases between the shoot and root. Here you can see the transverse and section of a living of an aquatic plant in this diagram. You can see the air spaces, the large vacuole type. These are not vacuoles, these are air spaces. So Erenchyma is a type of parenchymatous tissue, and this parenchyma, this Erenchyma provide buoyancy because it is actually present in the aquatic plants. You have seen the stem of lotus, which is edible also, so that you have seen that. तो इसमें क्या है, big spaces, air spaces are present, which helps in exchange of gases, as well as this provide the buoyancy to the plant, so that plant can float in the water easily and makes the that lighter in weight. Okay, so next is Chlorenchyma. Chlorenchyma, again it is a type of parenchymatous tissue. Chlorenchyma, as the name suggests, chlora means it consists of chloroplast, and it is photosynthetic, means due to the presence of chlorophyll, it can photosynthesize, it can perform the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis means it can prepare its own food by the process of photosynthesis. So Chlorenchyma make up the mesophyll tissue of the plant leaves and is also found in stem of certain plant species. So we can compare Chlorenchyma and Sclerenchyma next slide. Abhi we are discussing about the Chlorenchyma. So Chlorenchyma is a type of parenchymatous tissue, and it is green because of presence of chloroplast, and it can perform photosynthesis, and it is also present in most of the parts of plant, right? Now next is parenchyma, function of parenchyma. What are the functions of parenchyma? They serve as a packing tissue and fill the space between the other tissue. If you see this diagram, I'll show you later. They serve the packing tissue and fill the space between the other tissue, maintain the shape and firmness of plant. They store and assimilate food. They are food storage tissue. Transport of material occurs through the cell wall. They are metabolically active, means they increases the change of complex substances into the simpler substances, and their intercellular space allow gaseous exchange. They store waste products of the plants. If chloroplast is present, this tissue is called chlorenchyma and perform photosynthesis. In hydrophytes means the aquatic plants, large air cavities are present in parenchyma to give the buoyancy to the plants, such so that plants can float on the surface of water.